Looking for the perfect healthy summer salad? Well, today I'm making a refreshing cucumber and carrot salad tossed with a zero oil mint yogurt dressing that's cool, light, and bursting with flavors. Hello friends, welcome to Spice and Soul Diaries and to another healthy salad recipe that's crunchy, hydrating, protein rich, and perfect for hot summer days. And whether you serve it as a side dish, light lunch, or a healthy snack, it comes together in minutes and tastes absolutely delicious. So let's get started with the recipe. So I'll be using a seedless English cucumber for this recipe. We'll cut both the end portions. And now with the help of a julienne vegetable peeler, I'm going to peel the cucumber into thin long strips or juliennes like this. Now in the same way I will peel a medium size carrot with the same julienne vegetable peeler. So here you can see, and now we'll transfer the cucumber and carrot juliennes into a mixing bowl, and along with this goes some onion juliennes as well. If you want, you can add some red and yellow bell peppers as well. Now let's prepare a healthy salad dressing. For that we'll take a mixer jar. Into it goes 2 tablespoons of yogurt. If you don't have yogurt, you can also add curd or dahi. Next goes some coriander or cilantro leaves along with their soft stems, as well as few mint leaves. Also I'm going to add 2 large garlic pods, but if you don't like garlic, you can skip it. For seasoning, I'm going to add some black salt, some roasted cumin or jeera powder, and some black pepper as per taste. And we need to grind this into a very smooth puree. Let's check this now. And our zero oil refreshing mint yogurt dressing is ready. Now let's pour the dressing over the cucumber, carrot, onion juliennes. And this creamy mint yogurt dressing takes the simple cucumber and carrot salad to the next level. Fresh, flavorful, and so satisfying. We'll toss it well for about a minute so the dressing is well combined with the cucumber and the carrot juliennes. And our refreshing cucumber carrot summer salad with mint yogurt dressing is ready. It's light, cooling, healthy, and perfect for summer meals. So friends, I hope you will try this quick and easy salad recipe that's not just healthy but satisfying also, and perfect to include in your weight loss diet. You can also check out my other low carb and keto friendly salad recipes. We'll see you soon in my next video. Until then, stay hydrated, eat fresh, and keep cooking with love.